up, guys? So today we're hitting a little ride out. We got a new spot. We're gonna go pick up Rowan on the way. All right, so I'm gonna be riding the 2007, or is it 2008?
I think it's an 8.
All right, 2008 KLX 110, completely modded out. XR50 bars, exhaust. Jason's gonna be on his CRF 125. Was it 2021? 22. And this thing has completely stock, except bars, grips,
Suspension.
1,000 pound setup for the 1,000 pound rider.
Yeah, set up for a 1,000-pound rider.
And then our boy Thril Media over here, he's gonna be on his own 2008 KLX 110, completely donked out.
It seems a bit cleaner, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, I didn't wash mine yet. And he's got the restyle kit on the front.
True.
I don't have it because my bolt thing for my front number plate stripped out, and I have zip ties holding it up.
Oh, that's good.
Does it start? Alright, give her some fancy gas. She likes it. Choke's always good too.
I like that starter
what kind of
noise.
choke is this? That's the combination choke.
Did you get it choked or what?
Dude, it's really weird. Bro, it starts right up when it's choked, okay? I don't even know.
Come on, Dad. Pull that down.
You gotta shut it off, dude. Don't do that.
You guys are.
We know the cashier.
In my gas station.
Achoo!
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day.
Alright, we finally tried off-roading, and it didn't work. It's too mucky.
I'm buried up to my shins here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding for anyone that doesn't know.
Oh, not the mandrins. They're waterproof. Shout out Brunt Workwear, today's sponsor.
Diamond tears, they fall like rain. For all the years and all the pain, they build their tower.
We're hitting the creek. Alright, let's do it. This is the Rise It's Rides Crick Challenge. Let's do this.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, boom. Senta de 4, posição, puxando o cabelo, virando rostinho. Eu mal comecei, ele já tá safado. No bico do bandido tá atacando.
Alright, so we're working on the Fox body today. We still gotta get the transmission out. And I got the jacks kind of put in bad spots, so we're gonna have to go through and re-jack it up. All right, we got the jack stands resituated, and now we have a lot more room to work with. It'll be easier to get those bolts for the transmission off now. So it should be pretty easy. Pretty nice day out here. I had to take my coat off. A couple sips of water here. But yeah, I think we'll be able to get it off in this video. Hopefully. Yeah, let's get a time lapse going. Alright guys, I got an idea. We're gonna get the jack over here, lower the transmission down so it's a little bit more out of from underneath the car, and then hopefully I'll have some more room to work with to get those top bolts out. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, Rise It's Rides, for the biggest moment of Rise It's Rides history, if you've been tuned in since the very beginning, we're underneath the Fox body, and we got one bolt right there. Other one's out, holding her up. As soon as we take this bolt out, this is a new chapter. Rise It's Rides is on the come up, baby. Let's drop this thing.
Right now on the come up, talking my shit because I know I come from the gutter since I'm such a brother. Then I go pop out in all of this linen like I was a baller. How can you hate me? I'm coming from under. Nowhere to sleep, what the fuck is a cover? Now I pop out in ballistics, they runners, man, tell us I'm tweaking, I already fucked us. I was down bad, I know I done it all, I was serving the fiends, let the Zaddy dissolve. If I got a problem, I'm making one call, while none of your niggas be
Yeah guys, stay tuned. Transmission out. That means one thing. It's almost ready. Alright, what up boys? Working on the KTM, and we got Zaddy over here helping us out, putting in bits on it. Yeah. That's like this. Usually that means you're following it out. Boom.
kill my enemy, drop the beat, fuck it, this unless you hashing a machine, suck up my dick, bitches are repetitive, suck up my dick, pocket so late, shot is the thirst, casa de caring. Look at it, how to shut on the 애들 안 써줘야 니 이름이 그냥 팝콘에 팔로우도 찔러내 팽하니
Alright, so if any of you guys want this beautiful orange beast in your garage, you can hit me up on Marketplace at Aiden Reiswitz. And she'll be going for sale, 3K OBO or best offer for those who aren't Marketplace fanatics. Yeah, we got a lot of great things on this thing. Less than 2 hours on brand new top end. You got some expired trail passes for Michigan, custom metal gas cap here, fresh gut seat cover that's been a little unfreshened by the power washer, pro taper bar pad, pro taper bars, clutch is all bled, new chain, new main seal behind the sprocket, shifter fresh. V-force reeds when I did the top end, they looked perfect. We'll probably need new oil filter, air filter. This thing doesn't have oil filter. Fresh packing on the exhaust, fresh decal. Don't worry, you guys can cut off the Reiswitz here, or whatever you want to do with it. Fresh grips and coolant hoses were done as well. Carb's been gone through about 1 million times. Might need an oil change, probably. Pipe's a little beat up, but what can you expect? It's a 2-stroke. Everything works as it should. And I think that's all tires are pretty good. Some MX-12 on the back. Pretty good on the side, a little worn down on top. Front's pretty fresh. Front tires really fresh. And yeah, that's basically everything I've done to it. Oh, you just snapped your case, dude.
Huh?
Did you just snap your case, bro? That's all oil leaking.
No, there's not.
Nah, you
I
good.
can put it back on. It's fitting my fingers. Oh, that's rough. What?
Yo! Hold up!
What is that? It's a whole boat. It's floating. There's a bird. There's a freaking duck in there too.
Something's dead.
There's a... Yeah.
One in the back and one in the front.
Yeah, what? What is this?
Check those other compartments.
Yeah. Why is there...
Bro, do we have to come pick this up? Bro, it's water. You about to get swamped.
Grab me. Ow! Oh, we go, dude.
You're going down. Bro, should we pull this out?
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. This might be worse. Alright, we pulled back up. We pulled back up on this boat. She's kind of a beaut. Fuck, these things get in there. That's bad. Oh.
From abandoned boat. This will clean up nice. Alright, let's pull this John out.
We might. I don't know. This trap might start to snap.
Oh, she's heavy, so we gotta pull her with the ratchet strap. Now, let's do this.
We somehow pulled it out with just a strap. That's what she looks like.
Hop in, I'll start dragging you down the road.
All right, this thing is a lot heavier than we thought. Yeah, pull it forward. So you got some roller dogs under there.
Tell me when.
Keep going. All right, right there. Only one of them worked, but we're trying to rig it up. It's like heavy. All right, we got us in. Got her in. Probably about 12-foot boat. It was pretty back-breaking to get her in, but we did it.
And she's real nice. We got electricity running through this thing.
Yeah, you should probably see this thing on the water this summer in the next videos. She'll be catching biggins.
The only problem, it smells like dead in here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wash that thing.
Oh.
Alright, we got the nut buster out.
We need this hitch for the trailer.
Couldn't get that nut off. So we're pulling out the nut buster. Rev it up once, see how she's feeling. Oh yeah. Whoa! Alright, good there. Boom, baby. We're hooked up. Woo! She's low. Low riding there. Yep. Yep. Oh. Oh. You were scraping your tire. All right, we got the beast on a trailer.
I swear the drain plug was in here.
We're gonna clean her up now.
You got it.
Bayou squatting a little, but nothing it can't handle. Oh. Just that low PSI for better grip. All right, the Bayou's practically popping a wheelie, but she made it up to the house.
I just want all of the money.
Do you know what I said? I gotta get the dinero, the cash, and the bread.
Money.
Do you know what I'm saying? I'm down to do the do just as long as it's paying.
Money.
Do you hear what I spoke? I wanna make some dough cause I'm sick of being broke.
Money.
I will start some ruckus. If someone tries to pull out, I'm paying me my ducats. I just express my mentality, physicality, all my financial legalities. My aspirations to become the good earner. Capital or bankroll equal to Ted Turner's. And I got class from Menlo to Boston, Mass, and even past foreign touring chasing.
Salvo.